Today, we will learn about the short I sound. Let's learn the new I words we will read in the story. Iggy. In. Inch. Lived. Little. Big. Beautiful. Interesting. Bits. Things. Caterpillar. Story, listen. In a sunny garden, there lived a tiny caterpillar named Iggy. Iggy was green and loved to inch along the grass. Hi Iggy, where are you going? I'm off to find the biggest flower. I can help you. Let's fly above the garden together. Okay. Iggy felt a bit scared, but excited too. Together, they flew high and saw so many colorful flowers. Finally, they found the biggest flower. It was bright purple and smelled so sweet. Wow, it's amazing! Iggy learned that with a little help, he could see wonderful things. Thank you for helping me, Bella. And from that day on, Iggy and Bella became the best of friends. Remember, friends can turn a little adventure into lots of fun. Fantastic work today. You learned about English phonics, short I. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.